Have you ever gone into your garage looking for one thing and an hour later you're still searching? I think we've all been there. Maybe it was a tape measure, a paintbrush, your hedge trimmers, holiday lights, or that special tool you know you own, but just can't find. Then one day you're cleaning the garage and suddenly, there it is. I've been looking for this for months. It almost feels like finding buried treasure. Today, I'd like to share a simple idea that can save you time and frustration. I call it the garage treasure map. No, you don't need a pirate ship or a map with a big yellow X. All you need is a simple sketch of your garage. Next, divide your garage into numbered zones. For example, Zone 1, gardening supplies. Zone 2, power tools. Zone 3, automotive supplies. Zone 4, paint and painting supplies. Zone 5, holiday decorations. Zone 6, camping equipment. Zone 7, sports equipment. Organize the zones in a way that makes sense for your family. If you have shelving, consider labeling each shelf with a letter. A, B, C, and so on. Now your map becomes even more useful. Instead of remembering that your extension cords are somewhere on the shelf, your map tells you they're in Zone 2, Shelf B. Keep a printed copy inside the garage, hang it on a clipboard, or save a photo of it on your phone. That way, everyone in the family knows where things belong and where to put them back. The best part, you'll spend less time searching and more time enjoying your weekends. Sometimes the greatest treasure isn't gold. Sometimes it's finally finding what you've been looking for. Now that we've found everything in the garage, let's go behind the door and take a look at a beautiful home. Welcome to Behind the Door. Today we're opening the door to a beautiful home at 131 Holiday in Marietta. This lovely home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,944 square feet of living space. It's just a short walk to the Marietta Square, and the views of Kennesaw Mountain from the back deck are simply beautiful. This home is currently offered at $625,000. I'm Lori Walker. Enjoy your home and the area around you, and when it's time to make a move, I'm here to help.